What we're going to look at today is how to add a email sign-up box to your website, which will link to your list within Enterprise Mailer. So what I've done is gone ahead and put together this real basic looking website for an example. And what I would like to do is add a sign-up box here in this gray portion beneath my call to action, which is sign up for our biweekly newsletter and receive special discount coupons via email. So the first thing we're going to do when we get into Enterprise Mailer is go to the subscribers and lists section, which can be found in the top green navigation. Then what we want to do is click on the list which we want to include the sign-up form for, which in this case we'll say it's my first list. And you'll notice in the sub-navigation now a button called Web Script pops up here on the far right-hand side. Just click that. Now what you'll want to do is select the fields from your list which you want to include in your sign-up form on your website. So, of course, you're always going to want their email address. In this case, I would also like to have their first name and last name. A nice feature that you can include when putting the form on your website is the ability to redirect the user to another page once they've submitted the form. Oftentimes what people will do is redirect them to a thank you page after they've signed up for the newsletter. In this case, we'll just go ahead and redirect them back to our main website for Enterprise Mailer, enterprisemailer.biz. In most cases, you'll use encryption when you're creating your sign-up form. Once you've done all this, you just hit Create Code, and the page will refresh, and you'll have a text box here with all the code necessary for your form. Just place your cursor inside and select all, and then you're going to copy that code. I'll come over to my editor now, and I've commented where my gray box is, and you can see here my call to action in the code, and I'm just gonna paste it right below there. Now I'll just do a little bit of formatting to clean things up. Move that in and save the file. Go back to my browser to see how it looks. I'll just refresh the page, and you can see now that the form is here where I want it. You could do whatever further formatting you'd like to style the form. We're just going to leave it as is for now. And now I'll add a contact here, as if I'm signing up for the newsletter to get my special discounts. And hit subscribe. You can see it redirected me successfully over to the Enterprise Mailer site. And that's how you add a sign-up form to your website.